Hello my friends, today I'm coming to you with a mail call. Yes, a mail call. This is not going to be a very long video because I only got one thing, and it's one great item. I've already opened it up and you guys know what I like. I received a new Ford hat. And I got a new hat from Sean. He sent me this hat, so thank you again, Sean, for the hat. We'll switch it right over here as soon as this video is over. And the next thing is I want to tell you guys about my friend Jared over at Ride Along Fishing. He is having a giveaway for a fishing reel. I will link that video down in the description down below if you guys wouldn't mind going over there to check it out, and tell him John sent you. That's it. That's all I have for you this week. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. What was that? Foliage. It's only the first couple weeks of September.